Hey there, garden lovers. Today I'm super excited to share some tips on how to prune your plants for optimal spring growth. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned gardener, these techniques will help you get the most out of your garden come springtime. Let's dive right in. First things first, why do we prune? Pruning is essential because it helps improve plant health, encourages new growth, and shapes the plant for a more aesthetically pleasing look. Plus, it can help your plants produce more flowers and fruits. Now, before you start hacking away at your plants, you need the right tools. Grab some sharp pruners, gloves, and maybe even some disinfectant to clean your tools between cuts. Keeping your tools clean prevents the spread of disease. Alright, let's talk about timing. Most pruning should be done in late winter or early spring, just before new growth starts. But be sure to know your plant's specific needs, as some plants might have different pruning times. When you're ready to prune, start by removing any dead, diseased, or damaged branches. This is called cleaning up the plant and helps prevent pests and diseases from taking hold. Make your cuts just above a healthy butter branch to encourage new growth. Next, thin out crowded areas. This allows more light and air to reach the inner parts of the plant, which is crucial for overall health. When you thin, cut branches back to their point of origin or a lateral branch. Now let's talk about shaping. Pruning for shape helps keep your plants looking their best and can even improve flower and fruit production. For example, when pruning roses, make your cuts at a 45-degree angle above an outward-facing bud. This encourages the plant to grow outward, creating a fuller, more attractive shape. Don't forget to step back and take a look at your work as you go. It's easy to get carried away, but remember, you can always cut more later if needed. Pruning is as much an art as it is a science, so trust your instincts. Lastly, give your plants some TLC after pruning. Water them well, and consider adding a layer of mulch to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. This helps your plants recover and thrive as they enter their growth phase. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to having a lush, vibrant garden come springtime. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone.